Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a gradient attack in Expedition 33. A gradient attack is a powerful offensive move that becomes available once your gradient meter is fully charged. This meter fills as you deal damage, dodge attacks, and perform successful combat actions. There are 3 stages to filling up the gradient meter. The more you're filling up the bar, the stronger the gradient attack you can use on any character. There are Pictos in the game that help with filling up this gauge faster through certain scenarios, so you better collect some to instantly raise it faster. When a gradient meter is full, activate the gradient attack through the assigned input. Gradient attacks deal massive amount of damage, but because the meter takes time to recharge, gradient attacks should be used strategically during boss fights or high threat encounters. And that's how to do a gradient attack in Expedition 33.